find it necessary to consistently open specific web pages each time you launch your web browser. While all modern browsers support tabbed browsing, only a few incorporate features that allow users to open multiple tabs simultaneously. Consequently, users often have to manually open each page one by one. However, with the multi-tab feature in modern web browsers, you can open multiple web pages at once when launching your browser, eliminating the need to open each page individually or use additional extensions or third-party tools. Here's how you can do it. Begin by opening the Google Chrome web browser and loading several web pages in separate tabs. Then, navigate to the Settings menu and select the On Startup option from the panel on the left side of the browser window. You'll encounter 3 options under the On Startup setting. Continue where you left off. This option restores all previously open tabs from your last browsing session. However, reopening numerous tabs from a previous session may impact browser performance and internet data usage. Open a specific page or set of pages. Within this option, you can choose to add a new page by manually entering its web address or select Use Current Pages to save and open currently open tabs as your startup pages. It's essential to only save the web pages you require for this purpose. After saving the desired pages, you can edit or delete them as needed. This setting launches the browser with an empty new tab page every time. For Microsoft Edge users, a similar process can be followed by accessing the Start, Home, and New Tabs option in the Settings menu. Similarly, users of other web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, and Brave can add web pages using a straightforward procedure. You can see how simple it is without relying on any third-party tools or extensions. And with that, we conclude our guide. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content.